If you look on this board, I made things red so that they would stick out, because these things are the most important things to understand. You've got to have your heart in the game that you're playing here. You've got to step into this. You can't have one foot on the dock, one foot on the boat. You got to step into it. A buddy of mine always said, because he got like 20 million bucks or something like that. And I said, man, what's that feel like to have $20 million like in your bank account? And he's like, it's good and all that. He goes, after a certain amount, though, he's like, it doesn't really make much difference when you get a little bit more. It just feels better, looks better, whatever. But he's like, it's not that big a deal. He goes, my first 100,000 was the greatest, and this and that. He goes, but you know what? What really matters is that you understand when you put both feet in, that it's so much better. And so that's, when I talk to you about this stuff here real quick, I want to implore that on you. Are you playing half in, half out? The moment you get all in, and you go all in and you start connecting with people, you're not going to be the big Debbie Downer out there. Okay. Sorry if your name's Debbie. I love you too. You have to realize that people don't do a whole lot until it hurts, right? I don't know if you, realized that most of the things you do are literally motivated by a fact of you not wanting to feel like crap. Okay. Or not wanting to feel like it's going to be gone or feel like it's going somewhere. So it's no different in business. That's how you get people's attention. People spend money because they want to solve a problem. They're stuck at point A. They want to get to point B, but there's something in between point A and point B that they need your help with. If you can connect with them and be like, hey, are you feeling this kind of pain? Does it feel like this? You'll connect with more people. If we connect with people, connection is currency. By going out there and connecting with people, you'll start to attract them. People want to be around people that can help them. People want to be around people that are positive. People want to be around people that are fun. And they need to know that about you, okay? And if you can do that, and you also have a skill where you're helping them, then you can connect with them. And if you connect with them, then you can convert with them. And they'll say, hey, I'll give you my value, money, for your value, the advice, the roadmap, the treasure map, how to get through it faster, easier, less money. And then when they pay you, if you actually, as you 100% should, deliver on your promise. Help them actually do the thing. Help them actually learn and grow and do and get. And you'll be fine. And you just keep repeating that process. And you want to build a list while you're doing this. Okay? You want to build a list while you're doing this. But you need to be speaking daily. That's why these are all red in here. The fastest way to get to money is speaking, just like I'm speaking to you. Now, you can use a pen to speak. You can use webinars, you can use audios, you can use videos, you can use in person. You can do it every single day if that's the way you like to do it. You can batch it and have it all done and then sent out. But it's got to be out there, because if people don't know you, they can't like you. And if they can't like you, they can't buy your stuff. They can't trust you. They can't get in with you. So figure that out and say, okay, I'm going to do it. And then if you're not making offers, guess what? You're not going to make money. Or you're not going to gain freedom and power and control, the things that you would love to have. All of us would love to have freedom, power, control, endless options, ability to enhance, okay? Ability to enhance something else. You can help more people with it than without it. If you're not making offers, how many offers have you made today? How many times have you asked somebody to spend money with you today? Because they should and could to get the result that they want faster, easier. If you're not making offers, you're not making money.